for this hair. Oh my god, look at it. How could you not love this hair? Like, I am feeling myself. I want to take so many selfies, so many pictures. I'm about to flood my Snapchat, flood my Instagram, because they gonna see this look before I even get to doing anything else. They about to see this or whatever. What is you looking at? You just gotta really finesse the hair. That's all. That is what it's all about. Finessing. Period. Hey guys, MakeupSy here and welcome back to my channel. I am doing a hair tutorial on a wig. I'm kind of in the rush. I said in a rush. So I want to do something really quick, really simple, really easy and affordable for you to just grab something and on the go. And what is the wig called? I took out the pack already, so I just have the pack here. It's called the Daily Wig. It's like wear me on the dailies. If you would like to see how I basically style and put on this wig, then just keep on watching. So this is the wig right here in the pack. On the pack it says $25.99. It looks, I didn't do anything to it. I didn't tamper with it. Only thing I did was take out the pack and take the box out. So right here, I took the net off and it has a little pamphlet here. This wig is called DEANDRE by Outre. So it's a daily wig right here, and then on the inside it basically tell you how the wig is in the lace part. So this is a lace part wig, not a lace front wig. So a lace part and a lace front is different because it doesn't have the lace part on it. So that's cool. And then it tells you on the back how to care for the wig. On the front you have two clips on the sides. You have a clip at the bottom right here, and then of course you have the two strings right here that are adjustables. Of course my head is huge, bald. Yes, honey, I'm feel free. So here's the part right here. It's like a really small part, not very much, it's not like an inch or so. So she's ready to go on. I'm about to put her on really quick. Okay. Now, I can do a side part. I don't like how that is like difference between there. So of course I have a part right here, or I can part it right here. So what I'm gonna do to fix this part, because I don't like that look real wiggy, so we're not even gonna be out here bad like that now. No ma'am, turkey ham. So boom, I'm gonna put this on. Ouch. Okay, get it on nice and secure. I like how bouncy it is. It's like, this has so much potential to be fire. So what I'm about to do is basically customize it, get it nice and cute. I didn't fluff out any of the curls. This is how the curls are, and it's really fluffy. So honestly, I feel like I can do a part like that, so I can like mess up the part and bring all the hair to the front, so that way it won't have to look wiggy, because I do not like that. So I'm just gonna cut some of it. Y'all know I be scissor happy. So this side is coming out cute. Oh, I love how it feels. Oh my god, compared to this side. So this side is pretty long, and I want it all to be short, like a short curly look. Okay. so far so good. We are halfway through this customization and I'm already loving it. I love big fluffy curly hair, so I'm just gonna cut my bangs a little bit more so I can be able to see, sis. Cut my bangs. Cause see, look at that, the part is not even there and I don't want it to be there, so we still have a little bit more cutting to do. That. Ooh, who is she? Oh, look. I'm cracking up. I've been laughing this whole time because like I've been doing my makeup and I just been looking at my braids like, oh God, I need to get that together. I've been looking at my hair and it's just been so funny. Like legit finna go from 0 to 100 real quick. All right, so boom. Big hair. Ooh, she cute, whatever. Style 2. Then we got style 3. I know we had a part in the beginning, but I didn't like the part. The part is somewhere in here. I can't find it anymore. Oh, there it goes. It's there, but she's hiding, okay? And I just love the wild look. It's just giving me life. I even did my brows like kind of burgundy just to give it even more of a look, you feel me? But I am here for it. But yes, I customized this myself. Only thing I did was basically cut it. I cut the front, I cut the bangs, I disguised the parts. Yeah, and I put it on. It's cute, it's simple. Honestly, I believe I paid $16 for it, but I'll try to find a link with like a really cheap price. Yeah, the original price was $26. Got a little $10 off. Can't beat that, but you know, that's my local beauty supply. They really mess with the kid or whatever, so they be giving me like little deals, but don't tell nobody. Tell anybody, I don't care. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, and remember that makeup is an art, beauty is a spirit. Go out, be great, have a good day, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.